In the context of digital transformation becoming an inevitable trend in administrative and customer service operations, the application of artificial intelligence, AI, is not only a means to enhance work efficiency, but also a key to significantly improving the customer experience. Acknowledging this importance, the Project Service Department has proactively researched and proposed an AI application solution for the customer support and guidance team, a core team responsible for assisting clients in completing procedures for the issuance of land and housing ownership certificates. Established in October 2011, the Customer Support and Guidance Team has operated with only 2 personnel since its inception. Despite limited human resources, the team has continuously fulfilled an increasingly large workload, aligned with the company's development and growing customer demands. To date, the team has successfully handled 3,524 cases guiding customers in signing application forms and technical drawings for the issuance of ownership certificates, 13,277 cases assisting customers with declarations of land use fees and registration fee procedures, 13,806 sets of tax notifications, land use and registration fees, issued by the District 7 Tax Department, received and handed over to customers, 13,806 completed tax dossiers and receipts collected from customers and delivered to relevant departments for ownership certificate processing. Collaborated with SMD, AD, and CSC departments to verify outstanding receivables related to 14,328 cases and completed the handover of 14,328 ownership certificates to customers. The nature of the work, high volume, repetitive, and requiring accuracy and timeliness, poses significant challenges for the unit's personnel. In light of this, the application of AI, specifically through an automated chatbot for procedure guidance and certificate progress tracking, is seen as an effective solution. It is expected to optimize operational processes, reduce manual workload, and elevate the customer service experience in line with the organization's goals of professionalism, modernization, and customer-centric service. The following is a detailed presentation of our proposed AI chatbot solution for enhancing the core functions of the Project Service Department. Background and need for AI application. Over more than a decade of operation, our customer support and guidance team, with only 2 personnel, has managed a high volume of work involving guiding customers to sign application forms and drawings for ownership certificates, assisting with land use fee and registration fee declarations, receiving and handing over tax payment notifications, providing instructions on how to pay taxes to the state treasury, collecting completed tax receipts and transferring them to relevant departments, coordinating with other teams to verify outstanding payments and distribute issued certificates. However, the vast majority of customer inquiries received are repetitive and routine, commonly including questions such as, what's the status of Apartment A101 certificate? Have I completed my tax obligations? What do I need to do next after signing? When can I receive my ownership certificate? Handling these repetitive questions manually consumes significant time and energy, reducing the team's capacity to focus on more complex or exceptional cases. We propose implementing an AI-powered chatbot that operates 24/7. This chatbot will allow customers to check ownership certificate status based on apartment code and national ID, automatically answer frequently asked questions about procedures, documents, and taxes, guide customers through each step of their remaining procedures, connect directly with internal Google Sheets data to provide accurate, personalized responses. Implementation method. The solution will be built on the DI5 platform, utilizing data from internal Google Sheets or official documents provided. The setup process for the AI chatbot is as follows. Step 1. Detecting user intent. When the user sends a message, the chatbot first determines the purpose of the request. We apply a simple if-else logic. If the user is asking to look up certificate status, the chatbot continues to the next step. If the request is unrelated, the chatbot politely responds with guidance to contact a staff member. Goal: to clearly identify what the user needs support with. Here's what the chatbot interface looks like from the customer's perspective when they access the link. And let's take a look behind the scenes to see how the chatbot is set up and configured. Step 2. Extracting key information using AI. Once the user inputs data, such as apartment code and national ID, for example, A10.02 and 791630041231, the system uses GPT-4 to automatically extract these values from the message. This ensures accuracy and prepares the data for the next step. Step 3. Retrieving data from Google Sheet. At this stage, ChatGPT is asked to generate code that pulls information from a Google Sheet based on the extracted inputs. In reality, for the project service department, this step involved several rounds of trial and error, as it required coding knowledge. ChatGPT played the role of both instructor and collaborator, providing detailed explanations, helping debug errors, and guiding the team through every challenge. Step 4. Delivering the response. After retrieving the information, GPT-4 organizes the data and sends the result back to the user. The response is written in natural, easy-to-understand language, so the customer feels like they're chatting with a real person, not just a machine. The following is a demonstration video of our AI chatbot in a pilot test. Expected outcomes for customers. Fast, 24/7 access to procedural information. No need for phone calls or physical visits. For the customer support and guidance team, saves 60 to 80% of time handling repetitive queries. Frees up human resources for high-value tasks. Reduces errors and increases professionalism. For the organization, accelerates digital transformation, improves transparency and customer satisfaction, enhances process control and data visibility. The project service department does not have a background in information technology, and therefore chose to use ChatGPT as a companion tool to support each step in the process of applying AI to its professional operations. Through the process of interacting with and asking questions to ChatGPT, the department not only received detailed step-by-step guidance, but also expanded its knowledge and discovered various AI platforms and tools that could be applied in practice. Among them, DeFi was chosen for its simplicity, ease of deployment, and suitability for customer support scenarios. As part of the pilot implementation, the department built a chatbot capable of automatically answering customer questions based on internal documents. Each setup step, configuring the chatbot, connecting data sources, troubleshooting errors, and testing, was carried out under the close guidance of ChatGPT. Whenever technical issues arose, the team continued to seek guidance, test solutions, and make adjustments accordingly. The result was an AI-powered chatbot capable of answering frequently asked questions, significantly reducing the time staff spent responding to basic and repetitive phone calls and emails. However, this remains an initial trial version, developed by a non-technical team. To be officially and reliably deployed in real-world operations, collaboration with technical experts will be essential to enhance system performance, ensure scalability, and maintain data security. The proactive effort of the project service department to learn, experiment, and apply new technologies like AI in its daily work represents a significant step forward in the digital transformation journey. Despite challenges ahead, this initiative clearly demonstrates a spirit of innovation, creativity, and a continuous drive to serve customers in a more professional and modern manner. To protect customer privacy, all personal information used during the chatbot development process is simulated and does not reflect real data. Thank you for your kind attention.